Want to know how to hide a conversation from your interface in Google Chat? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, so simply open up your Google Chat application. So we have also created similar videos regarding Google Chat, which is available on our channel, so make sure to watch it. So now once everything is done, you should be under this interface right here. And now hiding a conversation is super simple. To simply hit towards untagged messages or spaces, and you should be seeing a space or a user popping out just like this right here. And right beside them, you should be seeing this options icon, which is in the three dot, simply like that. And here should be saying hide conversation. It should be right below block and report. Now once you have selected that, as you can see right here, your conversation has been hidden. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of the similar videos. See you in the next one.